Okay, we're going to Smith's now. Let's see you there. Look at that apartment, brand new.
Here's the path.
Yep, here's the path. Here is the tree is bloom. At the tree. Nice tree. Flowers
That's the
white.
ones outside our fence.
Yep. There is.
I don't like where they put the fence.
Here's brand new house. All is brand new, but so expensive. Maybe 1 million down here.
Yeah.
So 1 million.
Wow, these were just opened last week.
Yep.
Sold.
Look at this house. A lot of house here.
More houses in the cul-de-sac.
White house.
They might have actually got in at 800.
Yep. Look at that.
They've already got 100 equity, 200 equity. They just moved in.
So cool house.
And there's the junior high.
And there is the school.
All sold.
Yep. But that's a big house.
That's like 1.5 mil.
Yep. So big. Subdivision here. That's super expensive. You have no $1 million, you cannot buy. Okay. Elementary school.
7 out of 10. The rating. Heritage is 4 out of 10.
Yeah. People, a lot of people, RJ. Okay guys, we're here now in Smith's. There is Smith's Marketplace. Wow, have a lot of people here. Spak!
What?
Spak! Okay mga higala. Og nagpaabot ra ko diri mga higala nila ni RJ ug ni Daddy. Kay naggrocery sila og gamay nga grocery kay wala nami banana, nami saging sa una lang. Og unsa pay mano na ni daddy dito. Og dire ko sa sakyanan kay hassle kay ning moadto ta og kanang grocery unya daghang kayong tao dito may nang paabot na lang dire. Parang walay kalas og mas ba. Save the mas. Take video the tree cause nice color. Tara! Oh my god, no good.
Missed it.
Look at that park of a lot of people.
Look at the parking lot.
You
Yeah.
can walk from there.
It's the parking lot's full. That's why all the cars are on the side.
It's because it's the official tournament.
Yep.
They're in the playoffs.
Want to get this colorful tree. That's it for now mga higala sa akong video. So kung bago pa kayo dito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next one. Bye bye.